Do you want to add effects on Facebook Story? You can get effects on Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add effects or a filter to a Facebook story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on Create Story from the top of your newsfeed. Now, choose whether you want to take a new photo or video, or upload one from your gallery. Once the content is added, tap on the effects icon on the left of the screen. A list of different effects and filters will appear at the bottom. You can scroll through to preview them in real time. Select the effect you want to apply. You can try multiple effects until you find the one that fits your story best. After applying the effect, you can also add stickers, text, or music to customize your story further. When your story is ready, tap on the share button to post it.